Okay, our question 6 sikhuluma nge-trigonometry, ama-trigonometric functions. Sino f, sibuye sibe no g, ama-functions awu-2, the cosine and the sine function. Ne? Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is November 2022, question 6. For the other questions, akhona kule question paper. Check out the description box, ngishiya ama-links for lawo ma-questions. Engiwaphendulile kule question paper. In fact, it's all the questions. Nangabe ayikho, it means I haven't uploaded the question as of yet. There's also a link to another YouTube channel. Check it out for ama lessons only. Nginga appreciate, ngabonga kakhulu nangabe uya subscribe to the other channel as well. Now, asiphendule question 6 wethu ke. The graphs of f and g for x element of 0 degrees to 360 degrees are sketched now, right? So if ever when I physical sciences, we do talk about transverse waves. This function f, the function ga f inkhumbuza transverse wave, where siba ne crest, sibe ne throw, sibe ne complete wave from la to 360 city. Points ka 0 degrees no 360 degrees, they are in phase. Yes, they are in phase. In fact, whatever we discuss lapha wave, sound and light go physical sciences, it's exactly the same as la mathematics. Yes, just with this about comba ma degrees, they just give you points A, B, C, then you answer questions a few. You also calculate the velocity of the wave. It is fun analyze. Now la 6.1 bathi bheka lapha ku function f nangu a la. Write down the value of a. What is the value for a? A uzoba equal to 1. Nangu f la. A gives us the maximum as well as the minimum points la, right? So yabo ukuthi kahlahle ila igraph yakhe ijika khona i10 khona ikuphi 10 la ku 1 minus 1, so it means a wethu bani u1 la. 6.2, determine the range of g. What is the range of g? The range is all of the valid sets of y values, right? Ila igraph yakho khona i range yakhona along the y-axis. So nangu g la, igraph yethu oscillator kuphi or ijika kuphi? Ijika la ku 2, ibuye ijike nakubani naku 0, iphindele ku 2, ijike nakubani naku 0 futhi, if ever nya extend this system of axis, this xy axis yethu nangabe nya expanda. So lana I range yethu, it's y element of 0 included to 2 included. So this is our range from 0 to 2. It's from 0 to 2. You always start with the smaller value, ugcina ngani nge bigger value. Yes, always I range, even a domain uyibhala so, ne? Or uma uthanda ungayibhala ngale ndlela le, uthi okay, my range is between 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2. Now uthanda ungayibhala so, but I prefer this one. 6.3, determine the amplitude of g. The amplitude of g the amplitude of g, the amplitude of g is equal to 1, and it's always a positive value, ne? It's where igraph yakho okay, angathi where igraph yakho, it's actually the distance from axis of wait a minute uyambona u-g nangu u-g, asofuna i-amplitude ka-g. This is g, this is g, this is g, this is g. So uma uthatha ukubheka, in fact this this line lil, it's sort of like an axis of the function, right? Ngoba uG uma ubheka la has been shifted 1 unit up. So nangithatha lo guy lo G ngimbuyisela 1 unit down, uyabo ukuthi igraph yami iyowenza so, izowenza something like this, ibuye ithi then yenze so, right? So therefore ilo kanje yami i-amplitude yami is always measured from the axis where igraph yami ilo kanje ithena ngakhona. It's from lana all the way up to the maximum point. The distance from la to the maximum point is 1. The distance from la to the maximum point is 1. So uma ngabe angishift le graph but instead ngiyekele iso, i-axis yami yoba la, the axis for this G function, the axis yoba it's this line. So it means that it's the distance from la to la, which is 1 unit. From la to la, it's what? It's 1 unit. It's actually the distance from the axis to the lowest point, or the distance from the axis to the maximum point. Ubani? 1 ke lo. So our amplitude la, it's equal to 1. For which values of x will f of x be greater or equal to g of x? Alright, pay attention ke manje. Pay attention. Ngizokunikeza $1 million explanation for this one. Aish. Okay, now ubheka ke manje. I'm looking for the part of the graph where f of x are bigger than g of x. In other words, I'm looking for the graph for the part of the graph where f angaphezulu kwaka g of x. Nangu f, nangu g. Uyabona ukuthi f ukuphi ungaphansi, g ukuphi ungaphezulu. Right? It means that g of x is greater than f of x. But I'm looking for the part where f of x are bigger than g of x. Meaning f abe ngaphezulu, g abe kuphi ngaphansi. Yes? Abe ngaphansi. Bese ke at this point lama functions are equal. At this point they are also equal. Uyabona? So nangu f angisho usuka la f uthi bese nabafika laba ba equal at this point. Bese ke f uba ngaphezulu, g uba ngaphansi after this point. Nabafika la they converge, bese baba njani equal. Bese f uba ngaphezulu, g uba ngaphezulu, it's this one, g. Bese f abe ngaphansi. Ngifuna only the parts where f angaphezulu, g angaphansi. Naku ila f ungaphezulu, g ungaphansi. It's from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. These are the x values ayenza the function, lama functions ukuthi abe f of x greater than g of x. Ilama x values now between 90 degrees no 180 degrees. So the answer yethu nayi x element of 90 degrees to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Siyawa include. Sifuna lana are greater than, meaning that f uba ngaphezulu and at the same time abe njani, abe equal. La are equal ku 90. That's why sim include our 90 degrees. 180 they are also equal. That's why we are including them. Bese ke where f angaphezulu, g angaphansi, it's between 90 and 180. Alright, 6.5 bafunani ke manje. G of x minus f of x is equal to 2. This is what we are looking for. Where g of x now subtracta nobani no f of x uthola ulokanje u2. uthola u2. Alright, bheka ke la. At this point, meaning that ngifuna ukuthatha i-y value ka-g ngi-subtract ne-y value ka-f bese nginikeza ubani u2. Bheka nangu-y value ka-g ubani u2, nangu-y value ka-f ubani u0. So 2 minus 0, it's what? It's 2. So the first solution yethu nayi la. Uyabona la ku-90 degrees, I can see that lama functions are equal, meaning that u-g uno 1, u-f uno 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. I'm not looking for this. Nala they are equal, so it's out of the picture. How about la nage? How about la? U-f no 1 u-g lo. This is g, u-g ngo 1. So g minus f. Now f minus 1, open bracket minus 1 is equal to 2. 1 minus negative 1 inginikeza u2. Lana ke futhi sino 2 nangu u-g u2, then u-f u0. So 2 minus 0 again is ubani u2. So it's only 3 places. 1 la ku 360 na ku 270 na ku 0 degrees. So ilama points ayi-3 now. It's where kuba no x equal to 0 degrees, nobani no x equal to 270 degrees, and x equal to 360 degrees. Now my solutions were type 3, 1, 2, 3 for 3 marks. 6.6. The last question, but the graph of f is reflected across the x-axis. The x-axis, I think erase la. Okay. The graph of f is reflected across the x-axis. Ugu f now f la. Now f. If I were to reflect the graph of f across the x-axis, that is the equation of the new function of h, meaning that now to f reflector about the x-axis you tola function bani h. So the reflection of this function lena ubani izoba so nazo. So now h la, now h, it means that h of x is equal to negative f of x, right? Negative f of x. Whenever we reflector any function about the x-axis, you multiply the whole function by a negative, then you get the reflected function. So h is equal to negative times f of x. So minus f of x ubani a ungakhohlwa a wethu ubani u1 ngisho. So it's 1 sine x la. So it's minus sine x. This is the reflected equation. If you were to reflect the function ga f about the y-axis, you multiply x by ubani by a negative. So our reflections are 7 so guys. I think in share na my gems la before you repale video. My reflection for any function where the parabola reflection about the x-axis. Ngamanye amagama, you just multiply y, right? Y, the whole function, in other words, by negative 1. Yes, by negative 1. Then the reflection about the y-axis, multiply x by negative 1. Yes, nginishiyana lokhu ke. nginishiya nale verse leli bazalwane. So for now guys, question 6 wethu uzophelela lana. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe. As nginishiya, but anginishiya next man. Okay, angeke nginishiye empty handed. In the description box kunama links for amanye ama questions engwaphendulile. Yilo ke nginishiya nako. So for now guys, asibonane next time. Bye bye.